What's up, YouTube? Finally, it's been a minute since I actually had a decent video for y'all. But today we are taking a little, see, I need to do a center console in here next. We're taking a little road trip though, in order to pick up something for the Ranger. I need my mount. We better go hop in the Ranger, and yeah, I'll tell you about it on the road, where we headed and what we're picking up. Stay tuned.
I know it's storming right now, but we gon' see some better days. Back in the booth, and that's the only way I can meditate. Off the beans and lean, but thought process is hella straight. Went through some shit, had to peep, play, and reevaluate. Past couple days, niggas been pushing me like hell. Got they ass beat mad, cause we ain't in the cell. Fuck, Lord, I need you, cause later call my dude need help. Fighting with myself, still putting shit to rest.
All right, I guess before we hit the road, this right here, my 1997 Ford Ranger, Walker Ford Ranger. I need some air in that tire. Basic rundown of it: 4.0, 5-speed, one-wheel peel mobile. Yes. This has been a little kick around for the past few months. Been enjoying the little truck. Couple of mods you see up there with the third brake light. Also did the center console mod. Got a radio installed in here. Chopped the antenna. Other than that, pretty bone stock, ain't really done nothing crazy. Biggest mod I say would be chopped exhaust right here on the side. We about to hit the road. I'll tell y'all where we headed and what we picking up later. Had to make a quick stop before it got way too dark, and that's what we looking like, y'all. Picked up the little topper piece, and when I say picked it up, I'm gonna give y'all a sec to guess how much it costs. Yeah, I know I be marketplace bargaining. That marketplace bargain is something serious. How much y'all think the topper costs? Don't look at the side where all the colors don't match. Anyways though, this topper did run me $50 US. US dollars, color match to the truck. Marketplace deal gone good. I like the way it looked. I can deal. I did. Oh, look at the badass little Civic, man. Buddy over there. Eyes on there. Looking good. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, subscribe. I'll see y'all soon, and we got some more work to do.